Welcome back to your Medical Assisting and Allied Health Resource channel. I've posted a lecture regarding vital signs, and so you can take a look at that. But I wanted to let you know that I will be working on small segments for vital signs, including the procedures and quick tips. So be looking for that coming soon, and I'll see you later on the channel. If you get a chance and you want to share some of the information that you would like to see being built on this channel, please enter it in the comments below. And of course, if you want to come back, subscribe and keep on looking to see the new content that I'll be building. This will all be based on needs from other medical assisting instructors that have been giving me requests, as well as anything you want to send in to me. You can look in my information area. My email is provided there, but the email is adventuresandlearning.info@gmail.com. So if you have any other content that you'd like to see besides putting it in the comments, you can also email me there. Have a great day, and I look forward to seeing you. Bye-bye.